You're listening to the Spiritual Health Experience.
Hello, and welcome to a mindfulness meditation to help you dissolve your anxiety and connect with yourself and the present moment, freeing yourself from any worries. We will begin, as we always do, by bringing our attention to our breathing without changing anything. Follow the gentle sensation in your nose as you slowly breathe in and slowly exhale. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and stomach with each breath. Be aware of your breath as you feel it pass down through your nose, down your throat, and filling your lungs. As you breathe out, you will notice your stomach contract, clearing all the air from the lungs. Feel all the stress and anxiety as it leaves every cell of your body with the exhale. Feel the tension leaving your muscles and joints, and feel yourself relaxing. Now I want you to imagine you are sitting on a quiet beach as the afternoon sun begins to slowly fall into the ocean ahead of you. Feel its soft, warm rays on your skin and the soft breeze on your face. Watch the gentle waves break on the beach before you. Hear how they slowly approach and dissolve in the sand. Feel the warm sand under your feet and sense how it feels in your hands. Sense how magical this place is and how secure and peaceful you feel. Listening to the waves gently creep onto the beach and dissolve. As the waves approach the beach, feel your breath passing through your nose and on into your lungs. As you exhale, see the wave dissolve into the sand. Like your worries dissolving away, watch this for a few moments and notice how your breathing matches the waves. Slowly in and slowly out. Stress, anxieties dissolving each time. Feel the tension in your muscles and joints dissolving with it, and feel your entire body relaxing while you sit on the beach, secure, peaceful, and relaxed. And as you slowly open your eyes and look around, you feel yourself at peace. you feel secure and relaxed in the present moment. Your worries and stresses dissolve. You can go about your day with a sense of freedom and tranquility. Remember, when you need to de-stress, go back to your beach and feel the sensations. The warm rays of sun, the soft breeze on your face, the sand on your feet, and the waves dissolving your worries and fears. And as you go about your day, feeling these positive sensations, notice how other people will react to you as you spread loving kindness to everyone who you encounter. And now it's time to change and stretch your body and open your eyes, feeling completely refreshed and relaxed, and looking forward to the rest of your day. Now, I wish you all the very best wishes. Thank you.